Now, imagine the most serene view that you can ever possibly imagine, whether that's waterfalls or ocean views or views of beautiful mountains or deep, deep valleys. What do you see as you scan the horizon? What details can you pick up? If you look to the furthest point that you can physically see, what do you notice? What can you smell? What can you hear? Is there a specific taste that is associated with this? And as you just enjoy the sereneness of this, the space that is involved, is the sun shining? Is it windy? Is it overcast? Is it raining? What makes this experience a serene place for you to be? And remember, keep doing this until you start to feel that urge where you want to stretch. Oh, where you want to start to yawn. You may need to wiggle. Or you may even let out a little toot, but it's okay. Hopefully you're by yourself. We'll see you in step 2.